So we have our pool set up outside. It's our little pool here. Yeah. Yeah, they look like pop rocks is what they're supposed to sound like. We figured since we're going to have to dump it to clean it soon, we might as well have some fun, huh? What has? Yeah, no, they definitely don't go in your mouth. They are bath time pieces. They are Mr. Bubble Magic Crackles. And then we have a
fizzy ball.
Yeah, Burger Brand Kids Bath Fizzy. Which one do you want first?
Both.
Well, let's do one. Let's do the Crackles first since we haven't done those before. Yeah? They even almost look like Pop Rocks. This is pretty cool. Yeah, it says they're non-toxic, fragrance-free.
I want to hold it.
Dump a little or dump a lot?
I want to dump a lot.
Well, let's do a little first. I want to see. Can we do a little first? Wow. Did you hear it pop? Alright, I'll dump them all. I don't know if you can really hear them popping with the water. But I can hear them popping.
Weird.
Yeah?
They feel like monsters.
You hear them? It's just like Pop Rocks. That's so cool. Sounds like our pool is sizzling. That's so cool. Of course, for us older generation, that's just a, flashback to our childhood eating Pop Rocks. I don't think we ever got to bathe in Pop Rocks. We should have tried that. Just putting Pop Rocks in the water. What?
I can do the fizzy ball?
Yep. Gotta give me a minute to get it open.
I might get soaking wet.
Yeah, alright. Go ahead and keep playing while I try to get this open. I should have brought some scissors out.
Guys, I'm going to squirt you. I got you.
Did ya?
I got you.
Ah, there went Barbie. Oh no. And Nina is sleeping, so we're testing out this stuff first.
Because Mia fell super hot. See this, guys.
Oh yeah, Courtney's got a loose tooth.
Yep. You hear them?
I still hear them. Just a little bit. Alright. There's your bath fizzy. Oh, this is going to be some nice pink pool water. You're supposed to let it sit in the water and fizzle. Ew, yucky. Ta-da! Uh-huh.
Feel it, guys.
Let me see. Ew, oh no, we dropped it.
It'll hit on your foot. Does it feel weird?
It does feel weird. Ah. So you gonna paint your squirt gun with fizzies, or are you trying to get fizzies inside the squirt gun?
Fizzies inside?
Plop.
Ah. You guys.
Yeah, you got me. Is it almost pink yet? No? Because you're too busy playing with it.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one.
Yeah, we're going to try to get more videos up.